This is a brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro, and right out of the box, it feels like Google's most refined piece of hardware yet. This design actually surprised me, and to tell you more, let's start with the unboxing. The moment you start the unboxing of Google Pixel Fold 10 Pro, it feels premium right from the packaging. But when you start to unwrap it, that's when the real magic starts to hit you. Honestly, when I watched a lot of videos online and read on the blogs, I didn't think this phone is going to feel and look so premium in person. But as soon as I unwrapped the phone from the packaging, it kind of hit me right from the get-go. It's still quite thin, it's solid, and the Moonstone finish actually looks a lot better in person. The texture, the edges, even the subtle matte frame, it all feels incredibly premium. I don't know why I came across so many reviews online suggesting that this is probably the least premium fold device in the market right now. I think it's probably the other way around. I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 for the past 2 months, and from the first impressions, this one definitely feels and looks more premium. And from the overall hardware perspective, to be honest with you, the Hinge actually feels a lot more smoother. Definitely Google's learned from the last year models. It's slimmer, it's smoother, it falls flat with that perfect click. And compared to the Samsung Fold 7, it feels a lot tighter. It has more sort of balanced approach to it, especially when you're opening and closing it. Samsung Fold 7 Hinge still feels a little bit tough at times. But I think this is more elegant, and it kind of feels like I'm much more confident in folding and unfolding this device. And with regards to the overall build design, it feels and looks more symmetrical in my opinion. When it's closed, it actually feels like a regular phone, and it's not overly tall or awkward. I found that Galaxy Fold 7 is a bit too taller and tighter. This did increase their display screen size, but it's still not there yet. And for me, this is better than Fold 7. And when you open it, the 7.9-inch display feels like a mini tablet without the bulk. The bezels are smaller, and honestly, it's just cleaner overall. The next thing that you will notice on the hardware is a camera bump. And honestly, it's still very pixel. It sticks out a bit, but it's slimmer and blends quite nicely into the design. It's still got the signature bar look, but it feels less aggressive this time. Now, let's talk about the display and software. Inside, it's bright, vivid, and super responsive. The refresh rate feels more consistent across both screens, and apps finally adapt properly when switching between outer and inner displays. Multitasking also feels more polished. I can drag, drop, and split apps quite easily, and it's quite smooth overall. And in terms of the software, obviously being a Google phone, it has that edge towards any other Android phone. And the software feels super alive, it's super responsive. The animations, the smooth transitions, the haptics, everything feels intentional. And of course, Google AI is everywhere. Photo editing, voice assistant, even live translations during the mid-calls. It's the kind of stuff that quietly makes a difference when using your phone. And overall, I think this feels like the first Pixel Fold that really competes head-on with Samsung. The design is finally there, the hinge is cleaner, and the software feels more cohesive. If Google can back up its performance and battery claims, this might be the foldable that makes sense for everyday users. I will be testing this phone over the next few weeks, especially how it fits into my daily workflow with my Apple setup. So if you'd like to see more of that, then do subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video would you like to see next. I'm going to compare this to the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 and also generally how this fits into my general productivity workflow. So if you want to see that in my future coming videos, then make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting those on this channel here, and do click the notification button so you get notified as soon as the videos are live.